Today we are discussing grade 11 Western Province paper which was shared in 2022 March. The paper will be attached for the description. Right. So we will look at the first question. The assessed annual value of a house is rupees 20,000. The quarterly rates charged by a municipal council is 500. So they are asking for the percentage. 500 rupees for 20,000 for percentages 100%. 0, 2.5 factors. You can do this by mind. X squared is x into x. So minus 6x squared, how you will get that? Minus means you have to multiply a minus value by a positive value. Minus into minus, plus, plus into plus, plus. Then middle term is plus, then bigger term is plus. And then if you take 1 and 6, bigger term is plus. X squared is x into x. And this is minus, bigger term plus other term. 5x, you won't get that. Then 2x, 3x. A bigger term I put plus x, you will get that. Then x square minus 2x plus 3x minus 6. So x is common, x minus 2 plus 3 is common, x minus 2. X minus 2, x plus 3. Right. This is exterior angle of triangle equal to the interior opposite. Addition of interior opposite. Then x plus 73x. Therefore 2x equals 70. I will take this. Then x equals what? 35. So they have given the value of 5 in index notation. So this is the number. Logarithm of a number is equal to the index. Index is here. You can write the base sum. LOG10 you can simplify as LG. So answer is 0.699. The figure shows a lamina which is obtained by cutting BEC from a rectangle ABCD. How much greater than the perimeter of it than the perimeter of rectangle? Rectangle, addition of these four. What I will do is, I will take this as 2R, twice radius, twice radius. BB. Arc length I will take as A. So perimeter of this what? Cutting part is what? 2B plus 2R plus A. What is the rectangle? Rectangle is just 2B plus 2R plus 2R, 6R, 4R. Then finally 2B to 2B cancel. 2R minus 4R is minus 2R. A minus 2R. You have to find this arc length. For a circle, circumference is 2 pi r, semicircle pi r. Twice radius. Radius is what? 22 minus 40. What's the answer you will get? You will get 8 centimeters. Right. 8 centimeters. Right. AOD 40. This one 40. Find the magnitude of OCB. OCB. So this is a parallelogram. So you have to remember the properties of parallelogram. If this is 40, this is radius, this is radius. So if this is x, this one is also x. So here 40 means 2x should be what? 140. because addition of this interior angle should be 180. Then x is 70. X 70 means this is also xy, opposite angles of parallelogram I. Then OCB equals 70 degrees. There is a prism length 20, triangular cross section. What's the area of any object with uniform cross section? Uniform cross section into the length. So 800 cm cube. Find the gradient and equation of a straight line moving through origin. The straight line moving through origin is phi equals mx. So here 0, 0. Here another point. X is 2, y is 3. So what's the gradient? Y difference divided by x difference. Y difference 3 minus 0, 3, 2 minus 0, x difference 2. Then answer is y equals mx. This is in the form of y equals mx. M is right. Represent what? Positive integral solution. You have to read carefully. Then I will take 1 to this side. 2x is less than or equal to x is less than or equal 1. So they are asked to represent only the positive integral solution. 0 is not positive, only 1. Right. A circle with center is shown in the figure. If AB equals 6 centimeters, then this is 3, this is 3. Find BC. So they are asking to find BC. This is parallel, this is parallel. Midpoint theorem, this is 90, this is. AB is 6. So there is a mistake here. This should be OD 6. Printing, right? Printing mistake in my paper, right? Not in your paper. This is 6. BC is just 12, no? Midpoint theorem. So that should be corrected. Right. Find the LCE. So 6xy you can write using prime factors 2 into 3 into x into y. Y squared is just y squared. 2x using prime factors 2 into x. So we have to take highest power in each. 2, 3, x in y squared. So answer is 6xy squared. Right. 6 men take 4 days to construct a way. What's the remaining amount of work when 5 men work for 2 days? Right. So they are asking for the remaining. So total work is 6 into 4, 24 man days. Now they have finished 5 into 2, 10 man days. So remaining amount is 14 man days. Right. That is so. A, B, and C, D are on the given circle. If ABC is 100, CAB is 35. Find ADB. And ADB is equal to what? ACB. 100, 35. 100 means this should be 80. Then this is 35 means this should be 45. This is also 45. Why? ADB equals ACB. 45. Angles in same segment. Right. First quartile is in the 8th position. Find the number of data. What is the first quartile? N plus 1 divided by 4th position. So what is n plus 1 divided by 4? 8. Then n plus 1 is 32. N equals 31. So there are 31. Like to deposit rupees 25 with annual interest, simple interest, right? Simple interest. So he want to get 35,000 means what? So he has gained an interest of 10,000. No? Annual interest is, this is the interest for a year. For number of years, I will take as X. So 250 into 8, 250 into 4 is 1000. This is 2000. Then 10,000 divided by 2000. X is what? 5 years. So midpoint lies in their midpoint. AB is 6. AC is 7. Perimeter of DEF is what? 11. So what is 11 then? If this is 6, this is 3. If this is 7, this is 3.5. Then 3 plus 3.5 by midpoint theorem, right? Right? Plus DF is 11. So you can easily get DF 4.5. Then BC is twice DF 9 centimeters. So solve. So you have to get common denominator. I will multiply both these by 2. 7 minus 6 is 1 divided by 2x, that is 1. So you get cross multiplication, x is half. The point P, Q, and R lies on the given circle of center O. Find the value of x. This is easy. So this angle is subtended by this PR. What is the angle subtended by PR on the center? This one. So angle subtended by the center by an arc is equal to the twice angle subtended on the remaining part. Remaining part 150. So this is 230. Altogether 360. So this is 130. Right. The uniform rate at which water flows from a pipe is 50 liters per minute. It is fixed to a tank of 1000 liters. On occasion when the tank was half filled with water, then 500 liters. Time taken. Right. Volume. Rate is what? Here volume change divided by time. So 50 liters per minute. The volume change is 500, only half is. So time is 500 divided by 50, 10 minutes. In the mixed school, there are 20 girls in the class. 20 girls. So 20 is what? 4 over 9. So we want 1 over 9. What? 20 divided by 4. What? Then over to the 9 over 9. 5 over 9. Into 9, 45 students. Right. Find the value of A. You know this AC squared is 12 squared plus 9 squared. So 144 plus 81, 225. This is 15 squared. So AC equals what? 15. So you have to multiply these two. Then you have to be careful. Here what is the order? 1 into 2. Here what is the order? 2 into 2. So 2 to 2 cancel off. You will get a matrix by 1 into 2. So like this one. First row, first column. Minus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 1, 2. First row, second column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 3, plus 4, 1. Okay. Is there is a second row? No. That's all. Right. A intersection B dash. Intersection normally we call as A and B. Then both should be satisfied. Outside B, but belongs to A. Outside. 27 is square root. Here 3 is there. Why? 20 is 9 into 3. then 3 root. Then you have to find root 3, right? So they have given several values. So you have to multiply and see, right? So as I know the answer, I will directly multiply close to that. 2.89. So this is less than 3. We have to try to get a value greater than 3 also. So this is 3.24. So which one is more closer to 3? This one, no? Only 0.11 difference. Here 0.24. So 1.7. The straight line AB is at a distance of 8 meter from P. So this is 8 meters. Right. 8 meters means this perpendicular distance, right? If you can't get this. Alright. The locus is moving 6 meters away from P. 4 meters away from the R. This is 6 means this is also 6, no, same radius. So 8 minus 6, this is 2. So we want a line what? 4. Then another 2 from here like this. So these are the 2 points. Right. Out of stock of clothes, produced by a certain company, 205 is allocated for shops and 803 for export. Right. 803 for export. For total quantity for export and shops. So 205 plus 8. Then you have to get common denominator, that is 40. No? 5 times 8, 2 times 8, 16. 8 times 5, 3 times 5. So 31 divided by 40 first part. So what's 1 over 9 of the remaining quantity is kept for sale within the company. So remaining it 1 minus 31 over 4. 1 is 40 over 40. This is 9 over 40. So its amount value is rupees 3,000. What is then amount sold, amount kept for sale within company? One over 9 of this remaining, 1 over 9 of this. So 1 over 40. So 1 over 40 is what? 7,000. So we want the value of total stock. So 7 total stock, total value. So 7,000, this is only one part out when we divide to 40. So you have to multiply it by 40. Then 300, this much. Right. It has been estimated that 50 employees will take 8 days to produce the above stock of clothes. If 3 of them are transferred to another section, how many more days? That is important, right? So otherwise we will use some marks. So we can just find amount of work. 15 into 8, that is 120 man days. Then time taken. So 120. So now there are only 2. Then 10 days. Earlier they finished in 8 days. More days. 12 minus 10. That is 2 days. Right. That's all. The figure shows a lamina with this measurement. A sector of radius 7 has been cut from the trapezium shell lamina. Right. 5 they have given. Find the arc AC. So for a circle, 2 pi r. This is 90 degrees. So this is 1 over 4. 0 to 0, 9 times 4. 2 times 2. 7 to 7. So arc length is 22 divided by 2, 11 centimeters. Area. So this is 1 over 4 pi r squared, 90 degrees. Pi is 22 over 7. R is 7 into 7, 7 to 7 cancel. 211. 77 divided by 2, 38.5 centimeters square. So they are asking the area of the remaining part after removing this. So you have to first find the trapezium. It's the trapezium. 15 plus 7 divided by 2 into this perpendicular height. So this is radius, this is radius. 7. You have to minus 38. So 22 divided by 2 means 11. 11 into 7, 77 minus 38.5. Again, the answer is 38.5 centimeters square. So for the fourth part, a right angle triangle of base 8 centimeters is cut from the remaining part. After remaining part is discharges. After that remaining part is discharge. Shade the region of the discharges part in the above figure and find the perimeter of it. Base 8. A right angle triangle. This is important. Right angle triangle. So you can't make triangles in this part. This is curve. So this is 7. Then you can't get 8 centimeters from this part also. This is 7. You can't take this one as a base. So you have to take 8 centimeters from this 15 side. You can't take from here. Why? Then you will draw this one. You go to this. Then you have to take from what? From B. Then 7. This means 8 means 15 minus 7. 8 is just here. This is 8. 15 minus 7. So they are asking to share the region which is discharge. So this is the discharges region. This is cut off. This is remaining from that right. So 40% for import vehicles. So 40. This is the amount of value of a car. So if the value of car is 100, it will become 140 with the duty. So what is for this amount? That's the only thing. 0 to 0, 0 to 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14 into 5, 70. This right. The value of a 3-wheel with custom duty. So this is with the custom duty. That is like 140. So we have to find the value without custom duty means it is like 100. 0 to 0. 14 times 3. And then only another 0. 3 lakhs. So market price of share is rupees 60. So he invests this much. So you have to just divide 30,000 by 60. So what is the value? You will get 500 shares, no? 3,000 divided by 6. So he will get 10,000, 20,000, so 10,000 as the dividend. So this is from 500 shares. So he will get rupees 20 from one share. Right. The following three histogram have been prepared using the marks obtained in the test bio. Here 2030 denotes the greater than but less than 30 and other intervals denote similar. 0 to 10 are 6 students. 10 to 20, 8. 20 to 30, 10. 30 to 50 are 60. Then you have to, here twice, here 10, here size twice. Then you have to make this half. So we have discussed that earlier, right? In the lesson, right? Right. Frequency polygon. So you have to take midpoints. Here, here. Then you have to take midpoint of this side here. So I will use another color. No? This will be more. Right, right, right. So here you have to take midpoint of 10 marks part. And then midpoint here. Oh, pie chart. So if you draw a pie chart, these 40 students will be represented by what? 360 degrees. So one student is 360 divided by 49 degrees per student. 30-50 means there are 16 students. So you have to multiply 16 by 9. 16 into 10 is 160 minus 16 is 144 degrees. Right. That's all. Heshani and Nethmini are working in the same office. When they request a leave, their boss is able to grant a leave on only one day. That's selected from the weekdays on the basis that at least one of them should report to work. They can't take leave on the same day. Monday, if Nethmini take, Heshani can't take. So this can't be. So this is empty. Tuesday, if Nethmini take, Heshani can't. This is empty. Wednesday, both of them can't take on Wednesday. Right, right. So there are 4, 7, 9, 10 over to the 20 days. If both of them Saturday and Sunday off, encircle event that Nethmini will have 3 consecutive days as holidays are. 3 consecutive days. Then Saturday, Sunday, normal holiday. Then it should be Monday or Friday to get 3 consecutive days. So it should be Monday or otherwise Friday. To whom? Nethmini. Monday or Friday. So 8 over 20. You want to can simplify. Sorry, 2 over 10 means 1 over 5. Divided by 4. There were 7 men and 3 women traveled standing in a bus due to all seats of the bus are full with passengers. One of the passengers who was sitting get down from the bus in a bus short and one passenger got the chance to sit. Complete the T diagram given relevant to this. Right. You can. So there are 2 men. So men getting a seat, women getting a seat. So men is what? 10 over 7. Here 10 over 3. Right. So this we can take as bus stop. So there's another bus stop. So I will take bus stop 1. Right. If another passenger who was sitting get down now, another person get down the next part. Another woman or man who traveling standing got a chance to sit. Extend the about it. Now In the first occasion, so I will men women, right? This is easy. Men women. So now one man has seated. So now only 6 men. No, all the women are there. Here one woman has seated. Now only two, but 7 men are there. When one has seated down, only 9 is standing. Right. Extend that and write the relevant probabilities related to this event. Right. So I have missed one part. So they are asking, uh, find the probability that at least one woman can sit. At least one woman. So it can be men, woman, okay. This side, okay. Men, man, not okay. Woman, if a first person is woman, then these two are also when woman, men, woman. So this is the only one that is not okay. So rather than adding all these three, it is easy to subtract this one from one. One is the total probability. You know that. So 1 minus 14 over 30. So that is 7 over 15. No? 1 minus 7 over 15 is what? That is 8 over 15. Right. So that's so.